Defining desert living, a fast look at great design brought to you by azarchitecture.com. I'm Scott Jarson. Today we're in the heart of Paradise Valley at a classic Arizona home. Come take a look. What makes a great Arizona home? It starts with setting. This house is located on over an acre of land with iconic views of Camelback and the surrounding mountains. Thoughtful updates throughout bring relaxed elegance and functionality to every space. It's where design meets lifestyle. Private guest casita, a 700-plus bottle wine cellar, and oversized dining for 12 make this home an exceptional entertainer's dream. This kitchen, absolutely chef-worthy. Top-line appliances, 3 ovens, built-in Teppanyaki grill. It's perfect for serious entertaining. This primary bath, fully updated with decorator finishes. It's a spa-like setting that'll make you never want to leave home. With sweeping views of Camelback Mountain and unparalleled luxury, this estate is not just your home, it's your own private oasis in Paradise Valley. I'm Scott Jarson. Thanks for stopping by.